you're gonna have a team around you that you didn't even know existed or had access to. But CONNSTEP will build a little team around you, and people are gonna start to email you and say, what's happening with this? What's happening with that? I'd like you to talk to this person. I'd like you to try this out. And suddenly, you've got a support system. That's what you need when you start a business, a support system. You can't do everything on your own. My name is Ralph Prisco. I'm the President and Chief Engineer of U.T.R. Engineering Works. The challenges and the big concerns that I faced were growth in the business and where we launched from. We're quite diverse at U.T.R. and what we do. And in terms of manufacturing, we are not a traditional job shop. And I say this all the time, and it was a tough message to get out. It was tough to even grow from that. And what CONNSTEP genuinely did for us was sort of compartmentalize what the issues were and helped us focus, literally, on what you need for growth. Where are your customers coming from? How to identify that? To the point where they've brought customers in, literally. We've got something perfect for you, give us a call. We think you can help these people. And they may not even be in the state of Connecticut. It might be a person somewhere else in America having a problem trying to get something built, trying to get something designed. And you get an email and you go, yeah, this is perfect. Thanks for understanding. And that's what CONNSTEP really does. They understood what we do, and they understood how to make us grow. My personal experience with the CONNSTEP team was that they were knowledgeable, they offered advice, they showed up to the shop when nobody even knew where it was, and they brought the right people in, literally setting the stages for how you take a small couple guys in the shop to trying to find work, to now working for some of the largest manufacturers in the state, and not just providing components but providing what we do, the engineering support, the technical support, the on-site support. That is a massive growth step from where we started. The biggest impact that CONNSTEP had on us was literally setting the stage so we could get our ISO 9001D, our AS 9001, advice with the website, advice with government contractors, helping us get some of those state government contracts, helping them bring those people in. It's been massive, really. It put U.T.R. in front of a lot of different eyes, and the message was put out properly. The advice I would give other businesses is, number one, make sure you can identify what your problem is. Immediately get in touch with CONNSTEP. Say, this is what I'm facing. And CONNSTEP will put the group of people. It may not be the person that you're talking to, literally. It might be, hold on, I'm gonna forward your email and your question to somebody else. And suddenly, you've got a support system. That's what you need when you start a business, a support system. You can't do everything on your own. When you're trying to make parts, when you're trying to complete designs and get things out of the door, you need somebody working behind you. And that's CONNSTEP.